What's up everybody? I'm Landon with LMR.com. In today's video, I'm going to be walking you through the very simple steps of removing the tail lights from an S550 Mustang, so let's get right into it. First, you want to open the trunk and then head to the front of the car and disconnect the negative battery cable. Locate the rearward trim panel. Loosen and remove the 4 retainers. There are 2 per side. Remove the spare tire cover. Lift up on the trim panel to dislodge the clips. Then you'll want to remove the panel around the 4 studs, and then the trim panel can be removed from the car. Starting on the driver's side, dislodge the upper push pin from the trunk carpet. The push pin was missing from our car. Rotate the trunk carpet towards the center of the spare tire well. Locate the 3 nuts securing the tail light. Loosen and remove each nut with a 10mm deep socket. Go ahead and disconnect the electrical connection. Shimmy the tail light backward to remove it from the car. Pry up on the rubber grommet with your fingers to remove it from the body. Feed the connector through the opening, and the tail light can now be removed from the car. Use this opportunity and clean the area. I blow the area with compressed air and then wipe any dirt with a microfiber towel and a waterless wash product. The steps for the passenger side are the same unless you have a factory subwoofer like we do. You'll have to remove that first. To remove the sub from a 2015 to 2017 Mustang, loosen and remove the T40 Torx bolt. Next, loosen and remove the T20 screws securing the cover, and then set this aside. Now you can loosen and remove the 2 13mm bolts. Position the sub away from the trunk carpet and then disconnect the electrical connection. This can now be removed from the car. In 2018 and newer Mustangs, the subwoofer does not have a cover. All you have to do is remove the 3 retaining bolts securing the sub to the bracket, slide it forward, and then disconnect the electrical connection. Now you can go ahead and repeat the same steps to remove the passenger side tail light. If you're installing new lights or reinstalling the existing ones, simply reverse the removal procedure. After that, you're good to go. As always, we hope this video has helped you out. That's all we have for you today, so until we catch you in the next one, y'all know what to do for all things S550 Mustang. Keep it right here with the real enthusiasts, LMR.com.